So for my 4-week Imagine project, I wanted to make a documentary because I saw that was one of the categories. So I also wanted to work with film in my project because I've done some film projects and I like them, and I plan on doing some in the future. And then my editing software I used was Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. And I wanted to make a swimming documentary because I wanted to be able to look back at my high school and see how fun swimming was. So here is my project plan. For week one, my task was to film shots, and week two was film shots. And kind of, I had a lot of film that I ended up not using. Week three was start editing and screen recording, or start editing, and then week four was finish editing. Um, Week one and two went pretty well. I had film and more film. If you look right here, all this is film and stuff, and then here's another one which is all film and stuff, and a bunch of it was really shaky and not very good audio, so I ended up not using a lot of it. Week three and four, did a lot of editing and filming. Well, I did some editing of the film, is what I meant to say, and then more film. So I got audio. I took some audio from the Cars thing because uh, as you, uh, well, we used some like how Lightning McQueen's Ka-Chow. We used that, and then I liked this song, so I decided to use it. And then my Master of Technology or Learning. Well, I used Premiere Pro, but I kind of just dragged my things into the timeline last time. So I learned how to use the razor tool, had to add text, add effects, and then control the audio in Premiere Pro. And then that was my final project. And then project overview, reflection, and learning. So I wanted to make, if I ever do this again, I want to make it more of a documentary. I also want to get better quality film and more stable because it's kind of shaky on some of it. And then a microphone. I want way better audio if I was to do this again. So I'll show you an example real quick. So here's how, so you drag it up here, your film that you want into this one. Okay. Let me turn that down since it's not on. So you can use these to grab audio only, video only. So say I just want to use this real quick, and this is to mark out. So say I want the video to stop now, it will stop right there. And then I can also make a mark in point. So like right here, say I want right here I want it to start, mark it in point. So then it'll just take that when I drag it from here, and it'll put it onto my my timeline. See, now they're dragging it from there onto your timeline. Once it's on your timeline, you can say you want to split it like right here. It's so laggy. It's really laggy right now. Say you want to split it right here. You take your razor tool, go to the part where you want to stop it, and you can split it. Then see, if I pull those apart, it's split. Now I go Command Z on my Mac. It'll go back. So I can also add graphics, so it opens up the graphics panel. I can go to effects over here in this bottom part, and then you can go to audio transition, crossfade. So say at the beginning I want it to gain audio, I want it to get louder. So let's go here. If you watch that, it gets louder. Say at the end I want to fade the audio, so I can go into different, see how it goes down. That'll fade it. Say I want to add a video effect. Look at all these video effects you have. Or I want to add a video transition, like a page turn. I use this a lot in mine. Say I want to add a page turn at the beginning where it will do that page turn. And then you can also, there's these, here we go, window, right here. Over here, there's these graphics you can use. Like, say I want an angled title. I can drag it. Oh, come on. See, I can drag it and it'll go right there. And then I have, come on, it's not playing. See, no, it's really laggy, but I can add text here and like change how stuff looks. See? Oh, let's see if it plays. See the words and stuff? It's really laggy, but I can add title and stuff like that.